Hi guys, so I'll show you how to restore backup in WhatsApp from Google Drive. So first things first, go and search for WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp. Once you search that up, go over here to settings and now go to chats, chat backup, and you have to click on this option backup now. So once you click on it, it'll just back up all of your things and all of your chats and stuff. So first things that all other stuff. So once the backup is done, I don't know how much time it'll take for me, but it'll take like not more than like 5 minutes and stuff. But I'll not be showing completely this thing. You just click on backup and wait. It's going. It's doing well. It's 20% now. So I guess I'll just complete it and come back to you. Okay, so as you can see, all my stuff has backed up. So what you now have to go to do is that go over here and search for drive. And once you're on drive, open the drive, go on this three dot option, click on settings. Once you're here on settings, click on backup. Now, from the accounts that will be showing up on your screen, choose the account that you're linked with your WhatsApp. And once you choose that account, your WhatsApp will be backed up by Google Drive. So yeah, this was a very simple and easy tutorial. And yeah, that was the video. And thanks for watching.